Hello my dear guys, in this video we are gonna look at what is couple in engineering mechanics. In our previous videos we have discussed very clearly what is moment. Moment, it is nothing but a twisting effect experienced by a body when a force is applied at a certain distance, right? So before going to know what is couple, let us first understand what is moment in a practical way. So let us go with an example which will give you a clear idea about what is moment. Thereafter we can move to couple, right? So here we are having one animation which will clearly show you what is moment. Here a nut is present to which a wrench is fixed to. So what happens is when I start applying the force, wait a second, I will change the color. When I try to apply a force at certain distance, when I try to apply a force at this distance, what happens is the nut starts loosening itself by the application of this force. So in order to measure the intensity of the moment equals to that force which I am applying at a distance into that particular distance. And this distance, it is nothing but it is the perpendicular distance between the line of action of force and the point at which the moment is required. This is the point where the moment is required, and this is the distance between the point of where the moment is required and the line of action of force, right? Right. See, this will give the intensity of the moment, right? This is nothing but the rotational effect caused by a single force. Rotational effect caused by a single force. Here in this second example, this is nothing but the application of couple. The application of couple. If a rotational effect or a turning effect created by two parallel and the two opposite and parallel forces with equal magnitudes which are not sharing a single line of action of force. So you can see in the picture, this force is called F and this force is called F. So both are with the same magnitudes, both are applying in the same magnitudes, and both are in opposite directions, both are parallel forces. One force is parallel to another but are in opposite direction but with equal magnitudes. So for this first force, it will have a line of action of force. In the same way, the second force will also have the line of action of force, which are not collinear. The forces are acting on a single object, but are separated from each other and are maintaining some distance in the middle, which will create a rotational effect at this center. So which is completely pure rotational effect. So that this couple is also called as pure moment. This is also known as pure moment, that is nothing but pure rotational effect, because this is caused by two equal and opposite forces, right? That is the reason it is called as the pure moment. So with the application of these two equal and opposite forces, what happens to the steering is that the steering starts rotating in the anticlockwise direction. The steering starts moving in the anticlockwise direction. This is the general example we can see in our day-to-day life. So we still have so many examples out there, we can see couple everywhere in our day-to-day life. Suppose take an example of a water bottle. So whenever we try to open the lid of the water bottle, we have to twist the cup so that it start unfastening. So this is nothing but the day-to-day life application where we can see couples everywhere, right? Hope you have understood what is moment and what is the difference between moment. So I will tell you what is the difference between moment. So moment will also create the twisting effect. At the same time, couples will also create a rotating effect. Both the quantities are giving us the rotational effects, but the thing is the number of forces acting is the different. In couple, we have seen the two forces in opposite direction which are parallel to each other with same magnitudes are acting on a body to give the rotational effect, whereas in the case of moment we are having only one force which is contributing to create the moment, the rotational effect. Right? Hope you have understood. Thank you so much.